A very good money morning to all of you. If you have money in your pockets, morning is good, afternoon is super, night is super great. Welcome once again to the next episode. Last we had stopped at that I'm going to reveal to you the instructions manual. But I decide now that I will not reveal it. You discover it for yourself. Do I see that some of you are disappointed? That I got to a climax and just left you out there? Okay, surely I'll tell you what it is all about. But do grab your popcorns, have chai, sit comfortably, or have filter coffee like how we South Indians have. I love filter coffee. Especially my mother's filter coffee is one of the best. So when you have all this right, whatever I'm going to say is going to go deep down into your subconscious mind, which is where all the mysteries of money and your life lie. Let's look at the instructions manual. The instructions manual is a clear set of instructions of the do's and the don'ts. Right? Second, it is universal in nature. Third, we don't have instructions manual of money. What happens generally with an instructions manual? When was the last time you read the instructions manual fully? Sometimes you are confounded because instructions manual are complicated. We just throw it to some sites. We don't feel like reading it. If we read it, we don't understand it. If we understand it, we don't apply it. So it's a mess by itself. But at least we have something to help us, right? What is the first thing that happens in instruction manual? The first is don'ts. The don'ts come first. In fact, the cover of the instruction manual says, don't do this, don't do that. You know what the psychology of human beings is? When we say don't, each one of you feel tempted to do it. The parking sign reads, don't park your vehicle here. You'd somehow be very happy to park the vehicle there and get a slight happiness provided the traffic constable is not there. Don't touch wet paint. You touch it and say, yeah, it's wet paint. So don't motivates us so much. And you'll be very shocked to realize, it's a discovery I had, that all our present money problems and all the future money problems will come to us and to each human being simply because we did the don't. Again, I'll repeat you. We did the don't. Don't means you're not supposed to do it. But somehow we get a kick to do it and we land into trouble. That's what happens with the instructions manual. Now look at the instructions manual. Other than this do's and don'ts, some of it should be very, very clear. That these are the basic points which we all should understand and follow so that our life is perfect. But just because we don't have an instructions manual, what do? We do something called as trial and error. Trial and error of money. We want to discover more about money by trial and error. Have you ever heard of a word called as trial and success? Oh my God, no. Trial means the chances of error are always very, very high. But you never understood what is the cost of error. Some people lose crores of rupees, millions of dollars to understand some aspect of money by losing money. Is it the right way? Absolutely not. We all should find a more amazing way, that is, we all should comprehend at least the basic instructions of money so that we don't follow this trial and error. Somebody's error can also be our learning, and that's the beauty of the money workshop. It unravels to you in an amazing way the aspects pertaining to the do's and don'ts of money. One of the most important aspects of money is to understand it's a tool. And the whole game of the instructions manual is on the aspect of handling the tool wisely. For example, there is a knife, it's a tool. In the hands of a doctor, it would be an amazing tool because that wonderful doctor would give life to patients. And the same tool in the hands of a murderer, he would kill people. But that tool can never be blamed. Would you blame the knife for the murder or for the life? No, you would say it's the person handling the knife who's responsible for it. Because the knife is neutral. In the hands of a doctor, it is positive. In the hands of a murderer, it becomes very negative. Exactly, that summarizes the aspect of money. Money is also a tool. It's in the neutral gear. In the hands of wonderful people, it gives life to people. It gives amazing aspects. The whole world opens up. In fact, whatever you see in this world is all about the perfect handling of money. Science, technology, joy, happiness, material comfort, spiritual aspects, temples, churches, mosques, all are in the wise handling of money. At the same time, money mishandled can burn, destroy completely. Terrorism, acts of violence, and many aspects, even pertaining to personal life, losing money can be very, very troublesome. But the aspect to understand is that handling money is the game. So the most important aspect of money is handling money wisely. That is the sum total of all the instructions manual. Now you'll be wondering that, oh my God, school and college never taught me about handling money. My father just taught me whatever he had learned. I'm not even sure whether it's right or wrong. Society says one thing on money, somebody says the other. In all these myriads of confusion that is there, what is the right aspect? What is the right instructions? What is the wrong instructions? Somewhere if we come to that realization, it will be great. And that is the exploration at the Money Workshop, where each truth comes point by point, step by step, for you to discover on your own what is the truth and what is the false. And I'm very sure all of us human beings have that common wisdom to understand that the truth that help us to go ahead in life, we would accept and we would put it into action. And the falsities that push us back into life, we will avoid it and also recommend others to avoid it. And that's the whole journey. And the journey of understanding takes you to a miles ahead, because the journey doesn't start with money. Simply, understanding money is understanding life itself. So if you want to understand your life, money is like a mirror which shows you every aspect of life which you would understand in an amazing manner. So use the Money Workshop to understand money better, thereby enriching your life, enriching the life of your loved ones. And I'm very sure that when you understand money completely, you live the most amazing, empowered life with happiness, joy, peace, and contentment. Welcoming you to a very wonderful journey of self-discovery at the Money Workshop. Handle money wisely. Thank you, and thank you so much.